What is the crap, Goth? My name is Pixie and welcome to my channel of randomness where you never know what you're going to get. Today we have a package all the way from Oklahoma, which is really exciting, so stick around to see what I've got. Hello, so a shorter video today. This is an unboxing video and this is a package that's come from Oklahoma from our friends Cat and Bat. Now, we've never met these people, but we talk to them all the time. This is what I love about the whole YouTube community, is that I've made so many friends from around the world and we get to talk to them on a regular basis. I think it's just lovely. So they have sent us this parcel, which I know they were quite excited about, and this is a big box here. I can't show too much because it's got addresses and like airmail stuff on it, and it rattles a little bit, so let's see what I've got in here. I'm going to try and open it so it's not on camera too much. But first of all, we have an envelope that says Pixie, which of course is moi. Okay, this is, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This called some kind of flower. Sam Noble, Oklahoma Museum. This is called a button bush, and a button bush is found in all parts of Oklahoma where there is mainly marshy soil and lots of sun. It generally blooms in July and is abundant. Nectar attracts many bees and butterflies. The balls of tiny white flowers are about the size of a ping pong ball. Oh my gosh. Well, that is cool. I'm glad I looked on the back then because I wouldn't have known that. Okay, got to say really quickly, my ring light is not plugged in because I nicked my extension cable for my Christmas tree. So it's a little bit darker than it would be. I can see all my wrinkles and bumps. Doing well. Right, okay, so this card says, Dear Pixie. I'm losing my voice because I've just filmed. Dear Pixie, here are a bunch of bits and bobs for you. The items in the gift bag is not a Christmas gift. The box it came in was too big to fit in the parcel. I was unable to send two separate parcels, so we took the items out and put them in a gift bag. I'm sorry. Gosh, it doesn't matter. Thank you. We hope you like everything. Much love, Bat and Cat. We will love everything. We appreciate everything. Thank you so much. Always keep that as well. I'll put that up on display. Right, okay, so we have, let's see if I can lift this box up now. There we go. So we've got some bubble wrap. Oh, always good. The kids love bouncing on that. Honestly, I've just filmed for the first time in like a week and a half. I've just done it before this one. And oh my gosh, my voice is going already. Okay, oh wow, look how pretty that is. It's a big pink bag and I put this back on the floor so I can lift things out easily. Okay, so, that feels really soft actually. There we go. That, oh my god, it sparkles. That is so pretty. Right then, so getting into this one straight away, we have no clue what these are. What are these? Oh my god, like, I'm sure all will be explained in a minute. Right, whatever this is, not quite sure. I'm going to put that to one side. Oh, hang on a second. There's something canvassy and that's got on it as well. Is it like a holder? Like a flag holder or something? What is this one? Okay, so it's a rainbow wall. Does this... Oh, okay, this is making a bit more sense now. Okay, so I wonder if this is something you put into the floor maybe, or does that go there? Okay, this is, I think that twists on to hold it in place there. I'm going to have to find out what this is for. Maybe she explains. This could be like a really good doll backdrop actually. Right. Oh my gosh. Okay, I presume these might extend out. I don't actually know, but there is like little stands there. This would be really good for like doll photography. Oh, I want to know what this is now. Okay, so there's little feet there for it to stand on. It's literally like a mini backdrop. Hopefully it all will be explained because I'm not quite sure. This is definitely doll stuff, look. This is a vlogger play set. What? No way. This is doll stuff. It is, that's what it is. It's a doll backdrop. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, no way. And you can put batteries in that because look, this is a mini ring light. Oh my gosh. So I collect dolls. I don't know if you guys know this, if you're new to the channel. Go back and look at my videos. I collect dolls, not just Monster High, which you can see there, but I collect the 2 foot tall Danny Chew Smart dolls. And behind this camera, I have got a huge 4 foot tall Rainbow High house, which has got Rainbow High, Monster High, LOLs, all kinds of stuff. Oh my god, I just love dolls. This is awesome. So this is a full set. What I might do is make this into a TikTok. So I will, yes, I'm going to do this into a TikTok and then I'm going to set it all up and you guys can see what this is. I'm excited now. Oh, thank you so much. I love stuff to do my dolls. It's well exciting. Oh my god. And we've also got some stickers here, which will probably go to Ostara. Oh my god, they're so cute. Little unicorns and stuff. Oh my god, this is exciting. And we have a little green crayon. which is cool. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Right, oh wow, there's a huge stuff in here. Look at this. Ta-da! Now, I'll tell you one thing I'm a little bit envious of, the fact that they've been to Salem, which is that I really want to go to Salem. That'd be really cool. So I might have to like take a trip. Okay then, this is the one of Harry Houdini's performances on Essex Street, Salem, Massachusetts. What? Really? Oh my gosh. How cool is that? And this is the old Salem jail. Oh my God, no way. Now repurposed into condos. What's a condo? Is that an apartment or something? And a restaurant. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cool would it be to go and do like a full-on ghost hunt in Salem? To be fair, it would have been done hundreds of times, wouldn't it? But oh my gosh, just go for the history would be amazing. Thank you for those. I might put those in frames to put them on my staircase, because I've got a lot of kind of like gothic and macabre stuff on there. Okay. Oh, thank you. So this is Haunted Norman, Oklahoma, and Campus Ghost of Norman, Oklahoma. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. And these are by Jeff Provine, Haunted America. Oh my God, how cool do these look? Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to give these a read. Discover the restless history of Norman, Oklahoma, and school spirit in the hallowed halls of the university and surrounding community in Norman, Oklahoma. It simply does not die. This looks awesome, right on my street. Thank you so much for this. Oh my God, Christmas reading there, a bit of Christmas ghost. Thank you. Okay. Oh God, I'm losing my voice big time. Monster High. Oh my God, this is a Monster High locker activity set. I don't have one of these. Oh my gosh, contents include, oh, we've got a real working lock, stickers, little mini coat hangers. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to make this into a TikTok as well. Keep an eye out, because all the TikToks come on this channel as well as shorts. So, oh my God, thank you so much. Toys are awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, the next one we have are some, oh my gosh, so we have a United States of America flag, which is cool. We love the mini flags here. We've got quite a lot actually. We've got a pride flag as well. Oh, that is so awesome. Thank you so much. And another United States of America flag. I might take one of these to be with KORI actually, because he has different flags around the world with him as well at the moment. Thank you. We have a Hello Kitty. Oh my God, this is cool. A micro teeny. Oh my God, and that is Kuromi, which is one of my favourite characters ever. We've got on the back, we've got Hello Kitty, Cinema Roll, another Hello Kitty, we've got Kuromi and Pom Pom Purin. There we go. Oh my gosh, but this is Kuromi. Oh, I love her. Thank you so much. I will not debox her. She will stay in this box. This is awesome. Okay, we've got so many stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Okay, we've got some sunglasses, and these are first alert weather. So she gets a lot of tornadoes over there, and she tells me, you know, when there's got like some major going on, she sends me pictures of like clouds, and she'll let me know when there's a tornado happening. I'm like, oh my God, because obviously kind of I've never seen a tornado before. I've seen a dust devil, but never ever like a proper tornado. It scares the shit out of me, but I'm really fascinated by it. And this is cool. First alert weather glasses. Oh my God. There we go. Oh wow. I wonder if these are like, I wonder if these are like, you know, like the eclipse glasses or something. Like, oh, I don't know what I was doing then. They're cool. Oh my God, thank you. That's funky. Thank you so much. Okay, I think something's fallen out of that one, so I'm going to put that one to one side. We have a Harry Potter Micro Magical Moments. I collect these, you know. These are cool. So these are like, I'm not going to open it right now. I'll make a TikTok out of it. So these are like little plastic boxes that look as though the picture frames, and inside they have a mystery figurine and usually kind of diorama set, and you can stack them on top of each other. I have quite a few of these that Spanky's bought me, so this is cool. Watch out for it on a TikTok coming up. Thank you so much. Oh, I love these little reveal things. Awesome. Okay, the next thing we have here is makeup, and that's something I don't wear very often, but Ebony does. I don't really need to wear makeup because I look like shit all the time anyway, but like I'm covered in tattoos, so it seems very little point in me wearing anything. I do put on eyeliner if I'm going to go out every now and then, because my eyes look like piss holes in the snow half the time, especially with no ring light on. But no, this is cool. Oh my gosh, thank you. There we go. So this is LA Colours, and it is Glam Palette 18 colour eyeshadow. That is cool. Thank you so much for that. Oh my gosh. There is loads in here. I can't believe how much you've put in. Right, okay, the next thing is a little mystery bundle that is in some bubble wrap. I have no clue what this is. Obviously it's breakable, so I'm going to be very careful when I open it. Thank you for sending this, by the way. This is really exciting. Oh my gosh, there's another one there. You've wrapped things well, I'll give you that. What is this? Got no clue what this is. Oh, it looks like it could be a shot glass. I've got a Halloween shot glass. Now, Cat and Bat are both Gothic, so which is cool. And I've seen pictures of their apartment, their house, whatever they live in, and it's proper goth. It's awesome. So this is cool. Look at this. This says, oh, this is definitely me. It's a middle finger, and it says, fuck this, fuck that, fuck you, fuck off. That is a definite pixie thing. I have a bit of a thing for swearing. In fact, that's rubbed off now. That was a very naughty word that was like on there. The other one's there. I know. It's not big or clever, but it makes me laugh. So there we go. Oh, that's really cool. I do like that. I don't drink alcohol, so I'm not going to use it as a shot glass, but I'll keep it on my desk because that's cool. Thank you so much. Right, okay, the next thing is we have a bat. Oh my God, he is so cute. And it's a Preston one. Oh wow. So this is Scatterbrain. It's handmade. Oh my God, look at that. How cute is that? Oh, I love how it's got one big eye, one little, so it looks a bit manic. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, and it's kind of like galaxy material. That is so pretty. There we go. Oh, that is adorable. Thank you. And it comes with a Preston, so you can like hang it up on something. Oh my gosh, that is well sweet. Thank you so much for that. Find a home in here for this little bat. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, the next thing we have is, oh, we've got some material. This is seasonal fat quarters. I have quite a lot of fat quarters. If you guys don't know what fat quarters are, they are pieces of material that you can use to make anything you want, like dolls' clothes or, I don't know, handkerchiefs or hats or anything like that. I tend to save these things, so I'm not very good at sewing, but when I do things, I do make dolls' clothes for my big 2-foot tall dolls. And that is rainbow cobweb fabric, which is so super pretty. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for that. Honestly, I love arts and crafts. Thank you so much. Okay, the next one is, oh, we've got a mystery ornament, and this is Star Wars. So this will go to the man next door. My husband's working from home in the room next door. There we go. So that is really cool. I'm going to pop this away for Christmas for him so he can have that. Obviously, he's just heard it's Star Wars, but he don't know what it is. There we go. Oh my gosh, I didn't know what it was when I picked it up, so in my defence, I'm a big gob. There we go. That's awesome. Thank you so much. I'll put that back there because that's going to go towards Christmas. Oh my gosh. Anything I wrap up for Christmas, by the way, I always put from the people it's come from. We've got quite a lot from the other videos, which is cool. Here we have a, what is this? A Declaration of Independence. Oh my gosh. This is a replica of the original document of hand-finished genuine parchment. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. I'm not going to open this right now. Oh my God. That is cool. Obviously, being from the UK, I've never seen anything like this before as well. So that is awesome. Thank you so much. I probably will open this at some point and frame it. So thank you for sending that. That is really cool. Oh my gosh. I've got some more fat quarters. Yay. So this, oh my God, this is my favourite one, I think. This is really nice. This is seasonal fat quarters again. And it's little bats. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Again, not going to open it just now, but I'm bound to make something for my dolls out of this. I love that. Thank you. It's a good excuse to get my sewing machine back out. I've not done that for quite a while. Okay, we have a little bag here. It looks as though it could have stickers or something in it. And this is, oh my God, there's quite a lot in here. Right, so these are cool. So these are Halloweeny stickers again. So we've got bats and pumpkins, like they're going to kill you, which is cool. Another pumpkin there. A pierced evil pumpkin. Oh my God, it's a ghost! And I collect ghosts. Oh my God, this is my favourite so far. I love my little ghosties. An armadillo! Never seen one before, but I think they're well cute. Oh my gosh. Never seen one before in real life, should I say. Oh my God, this is adorable. I have a thing for bats. I really do love this. This is Vampire Freaks vinyl sticker. Oh my God. Oh, where in my studio can this go? I might have to put it on my very naughty neon sign up there, look. My fuck off sign. I might have to put a bat next to that, which is cool. I love that, but I have to be careful because I'm not allowed to show it in the first bit of the video because I get told off. There we go, that's cool. I may as well just leave it on there, you can see my naughty words. That's really cool, I like that. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, and then we have a, oh, what kind of bird is that? I'm not quite sure, but what kind that is? It is a, I've not got the glasses on. And no, I don't know. It says Oaky watercolours. I'm not quite sure. What kind of bird is that, people? my God, is it a swallow? I'm not quite sure the colours, but that is beautiful. Thank you so, so much. Oh my gosh, so we're nearly there now. There is so much here. Okay, so we've got a bag of like random jewellery, I think, which is cool because again, make some really cool things out of this for my dolls. Right, 2 seconds, I need a drink of water. Okay, I've got this open. So we have lots of plectrums. So I do have guitars. I'm learning guitar. I haven't done it for quite a while. I've got KORI's, which he gifted to me before he passed away. So there we go. There's a little one there. And this is, I don't know who that's by because I can't read it because I've not got my glasses on. But there's quite a few plectrums, which is fantastic. Thank you so much. I actually did need plectrums. There is a Halloween light up ring as well, which is cool. And then there is this. I'm going to very carefully put these down. Oh my gosh. So this looks to be a big bat. Oh my gosh, it's wrapped up well. This reminds me of the kind of the alchemy gothic style of jewellery. And that is really cool stuff, by the way. If you've not seen it, go and check it out. Okay, this is, look, it feels like it's pewter maybe. That is a big heavy bat, which is really cool. There is a stamp on the back, but I can't actually see what that's from. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my God, that is cool. I really like that. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. That's proper goth. I love that. Thank you. I'm going to find somewhere really funky to hang that up as well. I actually do have a taxidermied bat in my hallway, sorry, in my landing upstairs, and he's called Barry the Bat, and I've had him for years, absolutely years, and he's a proper, it's what's the word, responsibly sourced. He's not like been murdered or anything, and he was found dead, and he's been stuffed. He's about this big, and he's so cool. I really love him. Okay, right, and there is a couple more little plectrums there as well, so thank you for those. Put everything back in the bag before I leave my studio today. Oh right, okay, I think these could have been from the pack that was open. So we've got lots and lots and lots of colours, which would be fantastic for our story. Lots of crayons. Thank you so, so much. And also there is, oh, it looks like there's some makeup here. This is Conceal It, Cover and Correct Concealer. There we go. This is by LA Colour as well. Thank you so much. Again, I'm probably going to give the makeup to Ebony because I don't use it, but that is really cool of you to send that. Thank you so, so much. That is fantastic. Thank you. And then we have a little knitted bee, which is so cute. Oh my God, handmade stuff again. So lovely. Thank you so much for that. That is really, really cute. And oh my gosh. There's a Monster High doll. This is Scaradise Island. This is, of course, Dracula, my favourite Monster High doll. She is so awesome. And she is coming with a really funky sun hat. I'd actually wear that, to be honest with you. And she got some sun cream, some spooky glasses there, some sunglasses, and a bat bag. And she is awesome. Just look at that. They are cool. Monster High dolls are some of the best out there. I think they're fantastic. And I love her. Thank you so, so much. Oh my gosh, we've got to the end of the box. That is just immense. Thank you so, so, so much. Oh my gosh, right, just bear with me 2 seconds while I get tidied up and I'll be right back. Cat and Bat, thank you so much for this box. It is lovely of you to send stuff all the way from Oklahoma. Honestly, thank you so much. There is so much to like have a look through. I get some TikToks out of it as well, which is brilliant. So you'll see your names come up on the screen again. Thank you so much for sending this. This is brilliant. I hope you guys are okay and you have a fantastic Christmas because today is the 16th, I believe. I think it's the 16th of December. I need a calendar in here. But thank you so much. And I shall speak to you super soon. I will message you straight after I've done this. So thank you. I'll see you all soon. And Merry Christmas, bitches. And I'm in my pyjamas again. Sorry. See you later. Thank you.